Lifestyle Finishes Fresco Texture is one of the simplest and most versatile products in our line. Bright white and highly absorbent, Fresco Texture works easily under a trowel, moves through a stencil, or can be worked into a finish with a brush. It also burnishes flat and is receptive to a mural or glaze. For this video, we'll be creating a linen finish using the Fresco Texture as a glaze over a colored base coat. The beauty of the finish is the woven imperfections the natural texture creates. For this project, you'll need a wallpaper brush, 3/8" nap roller, spatula, rags, 2" delicate painter's tape, water, a bucket, and Fresco Texture. To begin, properly prepare the surface by removing hardware, filling holes, and sanding rough spots. Using painter's tape, cover moldings and walls to prevent unwanted paint marks. Prime the wall with 2 coats and allow it to dry thoroughly. This technique will result in the base coat showing through and becoming part of the final finish. For the softest look, use a base coat that has either a flat or eggshell sheen in a color to your liking. In this video, we are using a warm gray. Using a separate bucket, thin the Fresco Texture 20% with water. That is about 3 cups of water to a gallon of Fresco. Make sure that the entire amount you'll be using is thinned to the same consistency and mix well. For more open time, thin with sheer glazing medium instead of water. Use delicate surface tape to measure off sections about 2 to 3 feet wide horizontally across the wall. Fully load your nap roller and apply a heavy amount of Fresco to the wall in horizontal sections. Use a wallpaper brush to pull firmly across the sections from side to side in long lines. Clean your brush as needed to remove excess Fresco. Remove each piece of tape as you progress down the wall, painting from top to bottom and brushing side to side. Allow this coat to dry thoroughly, 4 to 6 hours before applying the second coat. Next, using the nap roller, apply the thinned Fresco from ceiling to floor in vertical sections about 2 to 3 feet wide. Use the wallpaper brush to make long strokes from the ceiling to the floor. Continue to apply the thinned Fresco in this 2-step process over the entire wall, wiping excess Fresco off your wallpaper brush as you go. Once dry, the surface may be glazed or painted for versatility. You may consider finishing the surface with a top coat of protective wax for more durability. Allow the wall to dry thoroughly overnight before replacing hardware or hanging art. For an alternative finish, brush the Fresco in 2 directions immediately after rolling, breaking up the surface with both horizontal and vertical strokes. Be sure to explore our products and find the best texturized look for your home.